Sairam, dear children, wish you a very good morning and I hope you all are well. So children, today we are going to start our 11th chapter, landforms. So before we start, let's do our prayer. Let's recall Sai and chant 3 times Omkar. Okay? Sai Ram. So, as we all know that on earth crust from a very long time movements are occurring, and due to that movements the different type of land forms are formed. Means land take different forms like a river, like a mountain, like plateaus, okay, and like islands. This kind of land forms, river, that land has been changed into, okay. We find such a type of experiences through the incidents like shocks of earthquakes, volcanoes and tsunamis. All this happen because of earthquake, tsunami and volcanic eruption. These mountains movement somewhere creates mountain, plateau, fold valleys. And what things were created? Mountains, plateaus and fold valleys. In addition to this, erosion and deposition occurs due to the natural forces like river, glacier, wind, sea, waves are also create alluvial plains, valleys and gorge. Okay, so these are the natural forces. Okay, when a river crosses mountain or plateau, then it erode the mountain or प्लेट्यू. ओके, इरोजन मीन्स कि किसी चीज़ के ऊपर से जाते हैं तो उसके साथ उसका कोई पार्ट जो है घिसाव करते हुए लेके जाना. एंड डिपोजिशन मीन्स ड्यू टू विंड a heap of soil is deposited from one place to another place. Okay, this is an example. So due to erosion and deposition, what kind of plains, what kind of landforms were created? Alluvial plains, valleys and gorges. So about all these plains and landforms we are going to study further in this chapter. One particular part of land surface takes certain height, slope and shape is called a landform. Okay, what is landform? मीन्स अ पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ऑफ लैंड सरफेस. मीन्स कि किसी एक स्पेशली, मतलब कोई एक पर्टिकुलर जगह लैंड पे, एंड दैट टेक certain type of height, certain type of slope, certain type of shape, then it is called landform. Okay, if height is more, then this landform is a type of mountain, and height is more, slope is more, okay, then it is mountain. And if height is more and but the top is table shaped, then it is plateau. So about mountains and plateau we are going to study further. Main types of landform. Now see in this picture. Landforms are recognized by various names like mountain, plateau, plain, according to which the height of region. Okay, according to height of region it is called mountain. So we are, this is the sea level. In this picture we are seeing this. This is sea level. When a landform came out in between the sea level, then it is called island. Okay, when we move from sea level a little bit upward, then there is plain. This area is plain. Okay, and when area is slopy and at height but not a sharp peak is there. If peak is not sharp, then this is plateau region. Then after that we're talking about mines. From plateaus a little bit at height there are mines in which coals, diamonds and this kind of mountains were there. Then a landform with a very long height, okay, and sharp tip, okay, means peak is sharp. Let me show you. Look here, these are mines and this is mountain which is more above. Then slope is sharp. Slope means ढलान. Slope जो है sharp है and height is more than other landforms. Then this is mountain. main type of landforms. Then first one is mountains. So which qualities, means what is difference between mines, height of mines, plateaus and mountains. So via definition we can understand it. Mountain, the area having more than 900 meters height above the sea level, means that height must be 900 meter above from the sea level with the gentle abrupt slope is called mountain. और जिसकी एक स्लोप होनी चाहिए जेंटल, ओके, जिस पे चढ़ा जा सके, ठीक है. Mountains are formed in the crust of earth due to the action, reaction and interaction of natural and physical forces like earthquake, volcanoes. As I told you, this is formed because of earthquakes and volcanoes. Impact of more than one action and forces are seen in the origination and development of mountain. It may be first earthquake is there, then volcanic eruption is there, then tsunami is there, then maybe it is formed, or it may be formed of only one effect. Okay. तो ये जरूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ अर्थक्वेक आया माउंटेन बन गया. मीन्स कि अर्थक्वेक भी आया हो सकता है, उसके जस्ट बाद वोल्केनिक इरप्शन भी हुआ हो सकता है, तो माउंटेन बना हो सकता है पहले वोल्केनिक इरप्शन हुआ है फिर अर्थक्वेक आया. ओके, सो वन और मोर देन वन फोर्स हो सकता है, ठीक है. That is why in the context of their various aspects mountains are different from each other, and this is why all the mountains are different from each other. Classification of mountains are divided in 4 divisions on the basis of process of formation. According to the basis of formation, there are 4 type of mountain: fold mountain, block mountain, volcanic mountain, residual mountains. So how fold mountains are formed? Most of the collective deposited sediments at the bottom of sea or lakes creates fold due to the pressure which comes from both the side, and its upper part turns as a peak and its lower part turns as a valley form can be seen. Himalaya in Asia, Alps in Europe, Rocky in North America, Andes in South America are the main fold mountains. Means कि फर्स्ट क्या होगा कि डिपोजिशन हुआ है, ये लैंडफॉर्म है, इस पर डिपोजिशन हुआ है, ड्यू टू एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर इसमें थोड़ा जिगजैग टाइप से, ड्यू टू डिपोजिशन के ऊपर एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस की वजह से फोल्ड्स बन गए. नाउ ये फोल्ड्स का जो टॉप है थोड़ा ऊपर चलता जाएगा, ठीक है, और साइड में वैलीज बनती जाएगी ड्यू टू एक्सटर्नल फोर्सेस एंड नेचुरल कंडीशन, एंड slowly these becomes mountain. And these kind of mountain which are formed by deposition and by external forces, folds created in these may be external forces, river हो सकते हैं, lakes हो सकते हैं. Okay, so this type of mountains, our Himalaya is example of fold mountain. Himalaya is spread over many countries like China, Tibet, Nepal, India. Okay, so it is a kind of fold mountain. Okay, and Alps mountain ranges in Europe, and Rockies mountain range in North America, and Andes mountain range in South America are example of these fold mountains. Okay, so this is all about fold mountain. Now block mountain. What is block mountain? Due to the geological forces, pulling force is applied on the surface of the earth, then cracks are formed. मीन्स कि अर्थ के अंदर से जो फोर्सेस अप्लाई होते हैं उनसे पुलिंग फोर्सेस आते हैं. पुलिंग मीन्स अपनी तरफ, नीचे की तरफ खींचने वाले. ओके, जो अर्थ की तरफ, जो क्रैक्स में जो लैंड है उसको अट्रैक्ट करेंगे. एज ए रिजल्ट सराउंडिंग एरिया इज सबमर्ज्ड एंड द सेंट्रल पार्ट रिमेन्स स्टेबल forming block mountain. Means, let me first complete the paragraph. And then zones are formed in the lower area, and Host mountain of Germany is the best example. Okay, so block mountains example is Host mountain in Germany. Therefore such mountains are called host mountains. Nilgiri, Satpura and Vindhyachal blocks of India are example of block mountains. Okay, so block mountain, let's see in this picture. Wait a minute. You can see in this picture Due to the geological forces, this part of land is pulling down towards the earth crust, and the corner portion remains upside. Okay, so this area which remain upside and these areas is going down. Okay, so the area that is pressed underside or pulled down is forming gorge structure. Okay, and the area that remains stable and फॉर्मिंग ब्लॉक माउंटेन. ओके, सो जो एरिया स्टेबल रह गया, ऊपर रह गया, तो ये क्या बना देंगे, ब्लॉक माउंटेन बना देंगे. ये लैंड पार्ट जो है आगे चल के ब्लॉक माउंटेन बनाएंगे. ओके, एंड ये जो ब्लॉक माउंटेन्स होते हैं इनके बीच में ऑलमोस्ट क्या फॉर्म होते हैं, गोर्ड्स आर फॉर्म्ड. गोर्ड्स आर ए स्ट्रक्चर दैट इज डाउन. ओके, जो क्या होगी, धसी हुई होगी अर्थ के अंदर. ओके, एंड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ block mountain in India are Nilgiri mountains, Satpura mountains, Vindhyachal mountains. Okay, now volcanic mountain, those mountains which are formed as a result of volcanic eruptions are called volcanic mountain. Okay, so at the time of volcanic eruption, the material which is thrown out is deposited in the form of coal. Okay, अभी हम पिक्चर देखते हैं. ये पिक्चर आप देख रहे हैं, इसके साथ हम अपनी पिक्चर बनाते हैं. दिस इज अर्थ. ओके, सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ. फ्रॉम हियर liquefied lava comes upside from the cracks in the earth crust, earth's mantle, and slowly it makes pressure on the earth's surface and burst out. Okay, it is bursting out and bursting out. Okay, now it deposit in cone shape structure. जब ये लावा जमीन पे वापस गिरेगा तो ये डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा कोन शेप स्ट्रक्चर. कोन कैसी होती है स्ट्रक्चर, ऐसी ना, लेकिन ये क्या है, नीचे की तरफ गिर रहा है तो मोटा पोर्शन जो है नीचे रहेगा. कोन शेप स्ट्रक्चर ऑन द अर्थ सरफेस, एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ माउंटेन्स आर फॉर्म ड्यू टू द वोल्केनिक इरप्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ माउंटेन्स आर फ्यूजियामा ऑफ जापान, विसुवियस ऑफ इटली, एंड कोटोपेक्सी ऑफ इक्वाडोर, and Barren Island of India. Barren Island is in Andaman and Nicobar, and it is an example of a volcano also. It is an active volcano of India, and Pavagad and Girnar are example of volcanic mountain, and Pavagad and Girnar both are in Gujarat. So remember this. Then residual mountains. Which are residual mountains? The mountains which are formed from the residue which stand against the natural forces of erosion. Okay, residual mountains are those mountains which withstand against the natural force of erosion. Means जब erosion होता है due to wind, due to river, due to lakes. Okay, तो ये क्या होंगे, जो पार्ट बच जाता है erosion होने के बाद भी, मीन्स कि इरोजन के बाद जो पोर्शन बच जाता है उस एरिया का, वो क्या कहलाएगा बाद में, residual mountain. Soft, rocky or eroded and swept away with the since thousands of years, and the soil formed from the solid rock sustained as a highland. Okay, तो जो डिपोजिशन निकल जाएगा और उसके बाद जो मीन्स इस प्रोसेस में 1000 years लगते हैं. ओके, देन द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन जो हाईलैंड रह जाएगा, जो हाइट का लैंड रह जाएगा, जो काफ़ी हाइट पे होंगे, यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, जैसे बीच का पोर्शन सारा क्या हो गया, इरोड हो गया है. तो जो बच गया है वो क्या है, रेजिडुअल माउंटेन है. इसका एग्जांपल क्या है, अरावली माउंटेन रेंजेस, नीलगिरी माउंटेन रेंजेस, एंड पारसनाथ, राजमहल एंड ईस्टर्न घाट आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ रेजिडुअल माउंटेन्स. इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ माउंटेन. व्हाई माउंटेन्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट एंड how it is important for the environment. Mountain serves the purpose of a borderline, a wall of any country or any region, and protect us from cold waves. Okay, first of all it can be used as a borderline, ठीक है, or a wall for the protection of a country, and it protects us from the cold waves of wind. Okay, and it also protects us from the high rainfalls. Okay, due to mountains sometimes the rainfall does not cross that mountain range, and some areas are protected from heavy rainfalls, and It also causes drought, because in Rajasthan, the western part of Rajasthan does not received more rainfall because of Aravalli mountain ranges. Okay. Fertile plains are constructed by the river flowing through them. And the rivers flowing through the mountains create fertile plains, and a river flowing from the heavy rainfall region, snow covered region, work as a water storage which is necessary for the generation of hydroelectricity. And those rivers that are flowing from the heavy rainfall region, and or we can say that on from snowy region or cold regions, they are used for formation of hydroelectricity. Okay. जो हाइड्रो मतलब पानी से जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनती है, तो वो रिवर्स पे क्या बना दिए जाते हैं, डैम्स बना दिए जाते हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ पे पानी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, हैवी रेनफॉल वाला एरिया होता है या स्नोई एरिया होता है, तो पानी तो स्नो जब भी मेल्ट होगा तो पानी होगा. ओके. सो वाटर इज इन सफिशिएंट अमाउंट टू मेक हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, दे आर रिपोजिटरी ऑफ फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेज एंड मिनरल रिसोर्सेज एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ. और इसके अलावा माउंटेन्स क्या है, रिपोजिटरी है. किसके लिए, फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्सेज के लिए. फॉरेस्ट हो सकते हैं माउंटेन्स में, मिनरल रिसोर्सेज होंगे, एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ जो होगी वो प्रोटेक्टेड फील जो है प्रोटेक्टेड फील करेगी या सेफ रहेंगी वहाँ पे. माउंटेन्स आर ब्लेसिंग्स फॉर द टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री. और माउंटेन क्या है, टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए ब्लेसिंग्स है. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री एंड माउंटेनियस. ओके. So film industries also use mountainous region for the shooting of movies, and mountaineers uses mountain for trekking. Okay. They are the habitat of the 10th part of the world population, and mountains पे क्या है, 10th part of total world की जो population है रहती है. For example, Mexico and Bogota are the best example of it. मीन्स कि मेक्सिको में और बगोटा में जो मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हैं वो कहाँ रहते हैं, माउंटेन्स पे रहते हैं. और वहाँ पे जो माउंटेन्स कंट्रीज जो हैं कितनी हाइट पे है, 2300 मीटर्स पे है मेक्सिको, एंड बोगोटा 2625 मीटर हाइट पे है. देन सेकेंड पार्ट इज प्लेट्यू, दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ वीडियो. एंड just watch this video and understand the concept, and please watch the video 2 to 3 times. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Sai Ram.